It's time to invite the person. He built his foundation slowly, and a strong foundation never collapse, like a good Wi-Fi. And he also started his journey together with boss and madam, almost 12 years now. And last 2 years back, we celebrate his 10th and company 10th year anniversary as well. So kind, supportive, soft heart, and reliable experience speak louder than words. So please, Mr. Rameez, come to the stage and share your experience with us.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, before I start the meeting, so congratulations, Mr. Bilal, champion of the year. So, you fully focus on the work, and mashallah, you deserve that. And before like 4 years, I was a champion. So, no time you have to make like a family and let me take my chance to become a champion. So after that, ladies and gentlemen, today is a very special night, and we all together here to celebrate our Chinese New Year. So many new faces here, and welcome to all of you who are new in Tobys group, and especially Chinese New Year, boss and ma'am. You guys are awesome, and have a nice year. So this year is special for horse. Inshallah, everybody should be strong like a horse, and we inshallah do like a best job and strong one, so become inshallah like a good in the market. So let me introduce myself. So my name is Muhammad Rameez. Everybody knows me in the Tobys group, and since 2009, let me tell you one story about myself. So when I left Pakistan, first time I go to the UK and just spent there 1.5 years. So I go as a student for the education, but some difficulties there. So I cannot continue my study because there's my dream to become a good educational person, but unfortunately cannot do. So after that I start work there because I didn't belong like a rich family. So many things I did after that go to the UK. So I start work with a construction company as ma'am before when she started work construction. So when I joined there, so as a worker I worked there. Within 1.5 months, I worked like very hard, and under mine is 16 people work there. So everybody worked like labor, but I did like a good job. So from construction trend to finish like everything I know. And every my boss is so much appreciate me. Very short time you get this kind of salary. So start to until now, like 12 years. So alhamdulillah, I don't have any problems. They treat me like a family. So before I work as a management, so lot of staff with us. So whatever I have ability I show here, and very tough time for us. But right now I'm standing here. I feel appreciate myself. Because of ma'am and boss, they always motivation and give me like a strong mind. So still work with them. So this is a story from start to until now. So now I work as a salesman. So I always put my effort on like a work. So sales manager or salesperson. So right now I work in S5 as a team with the Bilal. So I don't feel anything because we work like a team, and we discuss each other any decision we make. So really appreciate all of you guys, and especially S5 team here.